Winter Gardening Survival Guide is a cozy two-part video set to keep both indoor and outdoor plants alive through the cold months. And in part 1, I will show you how to take care of your indoor plants. Your plants don't have to die this winter. Hi everyone, welcome to JouleShare Garden Tips. I'm Jules, and in this video, I'll share with you how to take care of your indoor plants during winter. As we all know, winter can be really tough time for our plants. The cold weather, the snow, the lack of sunlight, it can be a real challenge to keep them thriving. But with a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your plants alive and even help them flourish during winter months. But don't worry, there are ways to overcome these challenges. By understanding what your plants need during winter, you can take steps to provide them with the care they need to survive. Here are 3 quick tips to keep them thriving even in the cold. Tip number 1, move them closer to the light. Winter days are shorter, so push your plants near a sunny window or add a grow light. They need that vitamin D too. Tip number 2, don't overwater. Cold soil stays wet longer. Water less often because saggy roots mean trouble. Tip number 3, keep them cozy. Group plants together or use a humidity tray. It's like giving them a warm winter hug. Follow this and your plants will survive winter like champs. And if you're also caring for plants outdoors, don't miss part 2 of our winter gardening survival guide. I will show how to protect your outdoor garden from frost and cold winds. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. From my garden to yours, may your days always bloom beautifully. God bless.